Hey Carp Geeks, thought I'd walk you through the August 2025 newsletter. Okay, if you ever want to sign up for the newsletter, just go to the BioSource Baits website. There's a small button at the bottom there. You can just click it and join the list. The point of the newsletter is to give you up-to-date tips and tricks for the use of our products, plus any other company news. All right, so let's take a quick look at what we're doing. All right, so first thing. And there's a video there you can watch. We got in touch with Jason from JVA Carpy Adventures. Jason is a blogger slash YouTuber, and he does some wonderful content, when he's fishing for carp, some good stuff. So well worth a watch, got his link there. Okay, and Jason was interested in testing our products, so we sent him some stuff and he went out and he did really well. He actually did 2 trips, one to Mouse Hole Lakes and then the next one to A12 Lakes. His A12 Lakes trip was exceptional. He had his best ever session, okay? Although his trip to Mouse Hole, which I'll talk about in a little bit, wasn't quite so good, which there were reasons for, okay? So yeah, take a look at Jason, some really good stuff there. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, Brad, yes, Brad Lucas, congratulations. So Brad Lucas, if you are following the angling media, won the Fishomania final recently. Okay, Brad actually has been informally testing our products for a little while now, so congratulations to Brad. Not sure if he used our products or not, although I did see in the match report that he did fish micro pellets. Wink. Right, so who knows? We've got an email out to Brad. We're trying to find out, but watch this space, as they say. Yeah, but anyway, congratulations, good job. Next one. Luke, the legend that is Luke Venus, has been doing fantastic work on the social media side for us. If you've seen any of Luke's reels or shorts, it's been great. And so, very, very appreciative of Luke's efforts there. So, if you check out our Facebook or our Instagram, maybe you've had a few things pop up on your own. Yeah, Luke's done a great job, and we really, really enjoy working with Luke. He's a great guy. All right, keep going. Last thing, doctor's note. So, mentioned it just a second ago, JVA Carpy Adventures Jason went to Mouse Hole, and he fished a very, very interesting swim where there was literally a waterfall feature just about 20 to 30 feet to his right, and it was really pushing through in front of him. And he fished according to the script. He fished with 30 milliliters per kilo of pellets of impulse, and unfortunately he didn't catch anything apart from a single gudgeon. And upon kind of thought and thinking about it a little bit, it's kind of an obvious thing, because what was happening was the impulse was being washed out of the swim, and we've actually noticed this with barbel anglers, right? So we actually encourage barbel anglers to use a paste wrap, which really increases the local concentration, or actually in this case would have been better also to actually add like a double dose of impulse on pellets for flowing water. So that's a great trick, right? So as well as, and I'll just scroll down, the usual advice of putting in like one big ball at the start to get the threshold concentration of impulse, and then topping up to response to maintain it. If you're in flowing water, use at least a double dose of impulse. And this is true for like lakes with a big flow, if you've got like a feature, air ray or something like that, or rivers, and the faster the river, the more you need. Remember, you got to get that threshold level to kind of invoke a feeding response. So hopefully that makes sense. Drop us a line, any questions, we'll get back to you, of course. All right, as I mentioned every time, we do pride ourselves on our customer service. Happy to get back to you. All right, see you guys next time.